Welcome to Speed Factory Indoor Karting. Before we get you out there racing, we have a couple items we would like to cover for your safety and the safety of others out on the track. The waiver you signed during registration says that you assume all rights of driving go-karts, that you are in good health, not pregnant, and do not suffer from any neck or back injuries. The waiver also says that you will be responsible for any damages or injuries that you cause, and it acknowledges that you have a duty not to participate in or on any go-kart when under the influence of any drugs or alcohol. Kart racing at the Speed Factory is a non-contact sport, and the safety of all of our guests is our number one priority. If you are involved in any contact with other karts or barriers, you will receive one warning. If you continue to make contact with other karts and barriers, your kart will be slowed and you will be pulled from the race. At Speed Factory Indoor Karting, we use signs and 6 different flags to communicate with all drivers while on the track. This is the green flag. The green flag signifies the start of the race. When the green flag is waving, the race has started. This is the yellow flag. The yellow flag is the caution flag. When the yellow flag or the slow down sign is displayed, it is notifying you that there is a hazardous condition on the track, and that you need to slow down to walking speed and proceed with caution. You need to stop racing and there is no passing. When the slow down sign or the yellow flag is displayed, you need to raise your hand to signal to the other drivers on the track that you are slowing down. If you spin out or become stuck on the track and need assistance, please raise and wave your hand notifying the staff that you need help. It is also recommended that you push your helmet back onto the roll bar headrest in case your kart is hit by another driver while parked on the track. The blue flag means that a much faster driver is approaching you from behind and you will need to move over and let them pass. When the blue flag or the move over sign is displayed, please find a safe spot on the track and move over and slow down until the other driver completes the pass. You may also point to the side, signaling to the approaching driver which side you would like the faster driver to pass you on. This is the red flag. The red flag is the stop flag. When you see the red flag, that means that the track is blocked and it is not safe to continue racing. When the red flag is waved, you need to safely pull over and stop your go-kart as soon as possible, while raising your hand to notify other drivers that you are stopping. This is the black flag. You do not want to see this flag. If the black flag is waved at you, you must head to the pits and slowly pull in immediately. The black flag could mean one of two things. The first thing it could mean is that the kart is unsafe to continue racing and you need to pull into the pits to have the kart inspected, or you will need to be switched onto another kart. The second thing it means is that you are driving too aggressively and you are in trouble. If you are bumping into other drivers, bumping into barriers, and driving too aggressively, you will be giving one warning with a rolled up black flag, or the no bumping sign, or to stay off the wall sign. If you continue to drive aggressively, you will receive the waving black flag. If you receive the waving black flag, your kart will be slowed and you will be pulled from the race. You must now head straight to the pits. This is the checkered flag. The checkered flag will be displayed at the end of the race. After passing the checkered flag, please raise your hand to signal other drivers that you are slowing down as you prepare to approach the pit road entrance. Once you enter the pit road, you are to proceed at 2 miles per hour, which is walking speed, so be prepared to stop immediately. Once you have stopped on pit road, stay in the cart until a member of the staff signals that all the carts are parked and that it is safe to exit out of the cart. The carts we use here at the Speed Factory are set up just like a car. The accelerator or gas pedal is painted green and is on the right. The brake is painted red and is on the left. Keep in mind to never use them both at the same time. This will only slow you down. Our SOTY racing karts also have a safety switch. If you ever need to shut off the go-kart for any reason, the switch is located on the right side of the cart on the front of the engine. The key to going fast in a go-kart is having the ability to drive smoothly around the track. If you are sliding or drifting the cart around corners, you are scrubbing off speed. Scrubbing off speed by sliding tires will slow you down and increase your lap times. To go fast, you must be smooth around every turn. Remember, in most races you will be racing against the clock, so give yourself enough room to race. Also, when you are on the racetrack, you must keep your helmet visor down at all times for your safety until you are back in the pits. Please keep all body parts inside the go-karts at all times, and never get out of the cart while on the track. You are now ready for your race session. We recommend that you arrive at the pit entrance at least 2 races before your scheduled race session is to begin. This will allow you time to select a helmet and get prepared without having to rush. When selecting a helmet, look for a helmet that fits you properly. A proper fitting helmet should not freely move around on your head or be too snug, causing excessive pressure. A helmet that is too loose can slide over your eyes, blocking your vision, and will not properly protect you in case of an impact. Our helmets have a ratcheting neck strap. Please review the function of the strap by pulling the red ribbon on the neck strap before putting the helmet on for the first time. All rental helmets require the use of a headsock. When you have finished with driving for the day, please put your used headsock into the proper bin next to the helmet rack. Once you have been assigned a racing cart and have your properly fitted helmet, you are ready to go racing. You will be assigned a go-kart by the track marshal. When entering the cart, you must place one hand on the steering wheel and one hand on the roll bar and carefully step into the cart. Plastic body panels containing graphics should never be stepped on. Once in the go-kart, you will need to put on your neck collar and fasten your seatbelt. If you have long hair, it must be tucked into the back of your shirt or rolled up and placed inside your helmet. It is important that your seatbelt is pulled tight and fits snug. After fastening your seatbelt, pull the shoulder straps down as needed. Please raise your hand and ask for assistance if you have any questions about fitting of the seatbelt. This concludes our safety briefing. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to ask any of our staff members for assistance. Each racer will receive an email with your individual race results. If a printed copy of your individual race results are desired, please ask the race attendant to print a personal copy for you. All of us at the Speed Factory thank you for visiting us, and we hope that you have a great racing experience today. Please check the monitors located around the track to see when your race session will begin. Now let's hit the track and have some fun.